and welcome to my continuing adventures on the PTS server. So, there are 2 new houses on the PTS, and we're going to tour this one first, and then we'll tour the other one. This is the Willowpond Haven, and it's in Blackwood. Sort of an odd place for a house, but whatever. It's very, very beautiful setting. Very idyllic. So, here on the edge of this, and of course it's pouring rain when I'm doing this. So, as usual, I did a custom build here. I thought about just decorating the 2 houses that came with, because there's these two houses that come with, and a nice little shed. So shed, house 1, house 2. You could even use under the little ramps there as a nice little stable. Problem is, of course, that these Laowan style houses, while they have lots of windows, you can't see out of any of the windows. So it kind of doesn't take advantage of this absolutely stunning setting. So I did a custom build, because of course I did. I actually did 2 custom builds. This is situated on a rather odd little rocky outcropping here, but placed so as to take full advantage of these stunning views, because you can't have views like this. Look at that! And not be able to see out the window to enjoy them. Oh, I left the door open. Whoops. So, I built a fun little space here. Lots of windows that you can see through to enjoy that beautiful view. Little living area, library area, kitchen and dining room area. Kitchen. Little freezer under the stairs, because I always put a little freezer under the stairs. Or almost always. And then upstairs, bedroom situated. Take full advantage of those beautiful waterfalls. Imagine waking up and that's the first thing you see every day. Bath area. And toilet. And that door is not set right. There we go. Now I've done it the other way. There we go. So this is one of the little houses I built, but I actually did 2. Because I am crazy that way. close the door this time. So I made a beautiful little seating area out here. This would be a great little luncheon spot, wouldn't it? Let's sit and enjoy these beautiful views all the way around. I mean, even look at that. Even that's gorgeous. So when I first got this place, I did not notice right away that there was a cave under the water with this little deck set up. And it was set up when I switched this from unfurnished to furnished. There were suddenly some little Argonian lights and stuff lighting this cave. So, of course, I had to turn this into my second home. I don't think it's an Argonian live here. Maybe. So, I turned the cave into a second little house, because of course I did. So, gave myself a little kitchen here. Little dining area. Living room. And again, the views outside. The cave full of fun mushrooms and stuff. I am sure there are some videos of what this cave looks like in its natural environs. Sure, other people touring the house have found the cave, but I had to do something crazy with it, because of course I did. Bedroom. And bathroom. A fun little cave outside. Her little shower. So that's it for my building. And of course, because I'm the crazy woman who built something, there's almost no other furnishings. So I scattered some of these beautiful trees around, and I will show you the empty. I love the little frogs that go and jump in there. That is too cute. That is not a pet I set up. That comes with. So we'll go over and investigate this house over here first. So these are empty. Apologies. So you got a nice little storage shed. And the homes. You got these nice little window seats. I just wish you could see through the windows. Like, in a house like this, couldn't they give us see-through windows? That would make such a difference. A lot more people would decorate the house, I think. Oh, I missed a whole room. Well, this is it decorated. You can see I missed a whole room when I was clearing this one out. Oh, well. And then upstairs, there's a room here. They had this as a bedroom. And then a bigger room here. I had it some sort of study, but it makes more sense for that to be an additional bedroom. Like a master bedroom and a smaller size for the kids. And then up top, this big area set up partially like bookshelves and big tables and chairs. These rooms are very difficult to decorate, I found. Hard to figure out what to call them. And you got a little balcony, so you can enjoy the view that otherwise you can't see at all, because, of course. Woo! Quick spinning of the camera. Apologies. Hopefully I'm not making anybody dizzy. Okay. Here's the other house. It's smaller. But see, you could use this as like a stable area. So you got one room here. I think they had it set up sort of kitchen-y. Another room here. Room up here. Room here with a fireplace. And this leads you out to this. And these ramps lead up. There is actually a space up here. This was my alternate. I was thinking of building a home up here, but you can't actually see the waterfalls. So I decided against it. And one last tall room up here. So that is the Willowpond house, the new house. I cannot wait for this to come out on the real server. I can't wait to see what everyone does. I did not test to see how high up the waterfalls you could go. Kind of stuck with my building my own thing to take advantage of that beautiful view. But hopefully you appreciate the crazy things I built and enjoyed your little tour. And I will be right back with another video of the other cool house. Thanks so much for watching.